Hello there, it's me Fred and welcome to another HPC 101 video. This is the AJAZZ AK33 mechanical gaming keyboard. I bought this keyboard for around 40 bucks on Shopee. It's a 75% 82 key keyboard, which is actually an old design from the 90s. Old keyboards do embrace the 75% layout, for example the SIIG Mini Touch keyboard. It offers a compact typing experience for those who worry about limited space. From a glance, the keyboard is very similar in design to a laptop-style keyboard. So those who usually type on a laptop will appreciate this keyboard. The only minor differences between a laptop-style keyboard and this keyboard is that the function key is right here, whereas on the laptop, the function key is right here. Also on a laptop, the keys for the Dell home, page up, page down, and end keys are right here, whereas in here it's right over here. Also, the delete key is very big. Look at it, it's very huge. So it's very suitable for those who often use the key for video editing and such. Not to mention the small shift key. That's very inconvenient, I guess. Here are the shortcut keys from F1 to F7. F1 is mute, F2 is media player, F3 is pause and play, F4 is volume down, F5 volume up, F6 is home. Last but not least, F7 is email. Also, the Windows key acts as a lock key for your computer. As for the key switches, it uses Zorro Blue switches, which are nothing special, just generic Chinese Cherry MX clones. It is slightly louder than a regular Cherry MX Blue switch. You can see the switch is very clanky and noisy. At least the spacebar has a good response. As for the keycaps, they are made out of double color injection caps, but for me the keycaps are made out of laser bladed ABS caps. On the back of the keyboard is the mini USB port for connecting this keyboard to a computer. Here's the bottom part of the keyboard. You can see here the AJAZZ logo bolted underneath the keyboard frame. And bear in mind, it uses a glossy finish so it will attract fingerprints. Here's the flip-out feet. And you notice there are 4 rubber feet over here. 4 rubber feet. Very nice. It identifies as a AJAZZ Geek series, model number AK33. Made in China, as you expect from such a Chinese keyboard. Here's the model number, or say serial number, CE and FCC sticker logo. Here's the keyboard that is applied with the keyboard. It uses a mini USB connector, and they are good enough to include you with a USB cover, so it's very useful. What I'm going to do right now is to connect this keyboard to a computer. Here's my computer. It's a Dell Latitude X6410 laptop. So now I'm going to connect the keyboard to the computer. So now I'm going to log into the computer. Alright. So right now I'm going to do a typing test of the keyboard. So that's about it for the keyboard. So far, the keyboard is okay, the typing feels okay, the ergonomics are okay, and the layout is acceptable for compact typing experience. While this keyboard is not as high-end as a Corsair or Razer, this keyboard is definitely acceptable for those who are new to the world of mechanical keyboard. So thank you for watching this video. Hope you subscribe to my channel and leave a comment if you want. This is HBC 101 signing off.